Good morning, I'm Tom Fitzgerald with Koenig Bauer.
And my name is Eric Frank from Koenig Bauer as well. Tom, Koenig Bauer is always growing, and we have many opportunities all over the marketplace. But recently we've grown into postpress. Can you tell us a little bit about why postpress?
Ooh, that's a good question. So postpress, obviously, Koenig Bauer has been around 200 years. We're the #1 printing press provider for packaging printing, and it was a natural fit to just move into die cutting, and then later on, folding and gluing.
Okay, makes sense.
Yeah.
Okay, so what are the unique advantages of our post-press products? And let's start off a little bit with Iberica and then maybe we'll on to Duran.
Yeah, sure.
So with Iberica, what's unique to the market?
So Iberica, they have several patents for the Vario plan and the Vario lever. It's a system that allows us to transport the sheet more smoothly on a 2/3, 1/3 and still get a nice smooth cut with very, very high pressure. It enables us to have much smaller nicks, so it's a lot easier to handle prior to going into the next operation, into our gluers.
Okay.
Which, with our gluers, the Omega team, they've been very, very strong. They're a very knowledgeable group. The thing we really provide for them is that we can offer assistance as far as design, runnability. It's a full package overall.
Okay, makes sense.
Yeah.
Tom, we know that most important in the marketplace is parts and service.
Yeah.
So tell us a little bit about how we care for our customers in post-press.
Yeah, so from the die cutter side, we immediately started off with multiple trips over to Barcelona.
Okay.
We cross-trained some of our guys. We also hired some specific to just post-press and die cutting in general. They're coming along very, very well.
Okay.
We also still have full factory support from Barcelona. So,
Great. And what about with Istanbul and Turkey and Duran?
So Istanbul was a very unique situation. There was an individual that has been with Duran since the beginning.
Oh, okay.
He was actually even the inventor of the name Omega.
Beautiful.
The story says it came from his watch, actually.
Okay.
But, so we immediately hired him, and he is probably one of the most respected in the industry as far as for setup, installation, and training on the gluers. And in addition to that, we do have multiple people shadowing him that are working to basically fill in his shoes when we need to.
Okay. So the bar that we have raised in presses is the same for post-press.
Oh, absolutely. Yeah.
Okay.
In some ways, I'm a little proud. I think this thing sometimes we're even better.
Okay,
Yeah,
good.
yeah, of
It's
course.
good to be proud.
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay. So in the end, we see post-press products being offered for commercial and packaging printers. Let's start off with commercial. How do you see our products fitting into the commercial marketplace?
The ease of runnability.
Okay.
Yeah, so for an operator who's really never run a die cutter before, a commercial printer trying to get in, doing additional like door hangers or even pocket folders and step by step going into packaging.
Okay.
Our machine is very, very user friendly, and the operators take to it very, very quickly.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now on the packaging side, we know we have a large market share, the largest,
Yep.
and we have a lot of skilled operators out there.
Yep.
Let's end this conversation by talking about some of the integration of our press technology and operating systems into post-press, particularly in packaging.
Yeah, that's the unique thing with Koenig Bauer is our experience in sheet handling anyways.
Okay.
So on some of our models, we've actually incorporated the Repeater feeder, which is a very, very well-known feeder in the industry. It's capable of running up to 20,000 an hour, but on a die cutter, of course. We're not quite there yet.
No.
We're creeping up, but
Great.
yeah, so the engineering from both the side of printing press and die cutting, the two groups together, the engineering, they're constantly going back and forth between Germany and Barcelona.
Okay.
So yeah, we've done real well. And even from the packaging side, just the robustness of our machine. It's one of the heaviest for sure in the industry for its class.
Okay.
Yeah.
So it's a win-win for our customers.
Oh, absolutely. Yeah, for sure. Yep.
Okay. Well, I appreciate the conversation.
Yeah, no troubles.
We're very excited about Koenig Bauer Postpress, and Tom, who heads up our division, is happy to talk to you anytime about our solutions. Thanks,
Yep.
Tom.
Just phone call away.
Bye-bye.